everyone, it's Marky. Today I just wanted to talk about this AmyHomie Cooling Blanket. It's really pretty. This is the throw size, which is 60 by 80 inches. So it's a really good size. I'll show up, or I'll stand up so you can kind of see. It's a really good size. It's made with Japanese arc chill fabric, which I guess is kind of new technology with cooling blankets. It's made to absorb your body heat, so if you're sleeping with it or just laying with it, it's going to absorb all your body heat and leave it still a really cool texture. Like, this blanket is cool to the touch on both sides. I love it because I am a huge blanket person. Even in the summer, my husband makes fun of me because I always have a blanket even if it's 100 degrees outside. This is absolutely perfect for people like me, because if you still want to be cuddly and comfy but you don't want to overheat, this is just the perfect solution. It is machine washable and you can dry it on low, so super easy to maintain its integrity. It's not going to wear out. I've washed mine quite a few times and dried it, and it's held up just perfectly. It's still just as cooling. I think it's a really pretty color. There are other colors that you can choose from. I think these are great for camping, especially we go camping in the middle of July and it's still really hot at nighttime. Perfect for that. Travel in the car rides. My kids love to take it in the car, and it actually does come with this little travel carrying case. So if you want to fold it up and maybe throw it in a suitcase, if you're taking it on vacation or something, which I like to do, I think that it's perfect that it comes with this great little bag to put it in. Yeah, like I said, if you are somebody who maybe sleeps really warm, or you have night sweats or something like that, or you just want to still be cool while you are cuddled up in a blanket, I think that this would be a perfect choice. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.